Don't despair, we'll have lots and lots of trucking videos coming up. But today, let's look and see what Tanya's up to while Kevin heads back out on the road. Welcome to the joy of trucking. Let's take a look. So here is the bathroom as it stands now. And it's, you know, it's pretty cute. A few little things I might have done differently. But the problem is that. So unfortunately, it has been leaking through the wall. So yeah, we weren't expecting to have to redo the bathroom so quickly, but this is actually our first project so that we can stop the leak. And we have to pull out the tub, and that's gonna affect, of course, the tiles. We're gonna take out the tile, and then that affects the wainscoting because the edge was put over here like this and over that, and we're not sure what happened with that window. So yeah, we're gonna start over basically. I think we're keeping the sink and the toilet, but we'd like to keep the wainscoting, but we'll see what happens. Big first project! And the team is here. We're gonna bring the trailers, one of them here and one around the other side. And you're gonna meet Jason and Tom, and I wanna give a big shout out to these two. They did a fabulous job. If you stick around to the end of the video, you'll see the finished product. Tom has many years of experience, and he's the owner of Certified Home Maintenance Service. If you live in the DeLand area and you're looking for some home renovations, you can give him a call. We highly recommend him. His number is 386-490-3665.
Didn't have one at the bottom.
I know, I took it out already.
Oh, you did? Okay. Okay. Close it. Ooh, we have an access. So if we find money in the walls, is that good?
Yeah, that's really good.
Is that the money?
Yeah,
Moving money.
yeah.
Time, and I found, I forgot how much other.
But what are these things?
What I think there are, it's either some kind of roach-proof stuff or something that they put in there.
Because I saw it on the floor in the...
See, this is your plaster.
Oh.
Lath and plaster. See, that's weird. Yeah.
Wow. We found the historic part of the house.
Where are you putting this up?
In the room with all
I'm gonna put this outside because it has stuff in it.
Okay.
Stuff. Oh. A lot of weird stuff in it.
Roach space.
Yeah. Wow. Wowee. Well, you're moving right along. Nice.
Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh.
Yep. Old cast iron pipe, and all they did was shove it in there. That is not good. We'll have to fix that.
Yeah.
I think it could have been leaking, which it feels like it has been.
Mm-hmm.
So I gotta figure out how to get that. So we're gonna get it gutted. That's the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna gut. That's just all cast iron. That's gotta be real exciting. Yeah, this is not the original tub in here.
No, definitely not. And this was just stuck into what? What's the
There's
story?
an old open pipe right here, the old cast iron pipe.
Oh yeah. And we were told the house was hit by lightning and all the plumbing had been replaced, so maybe not all of it.
Maybe all the supply lines, but not the drain line.
Mm-hmm.
That is definitely not. Yeah, it's just from the, see the green in it? That's
Yeah.
from bleach.
Oh wow.
Bleach does not kill mold.
No.
It's,
What does?
concrobium, peroxide, that will kill mold, but not
Not bleach.
Wow. It comes back within that's why it comes right back in 2 weeks. It'll change its color, but it doesn't kill it. Oh my goodness. don't get this. Mold.
Oh boy.
Black mold right there. See
Black
it?
mold.
Yep.
Yep.
And the critters. Critters.
Oh my god.
These are little.
Ants. Are
Actually,
they ants?
I'm not sure.
Please don't tell me they're termites.
You got any bug spray?
Nope. And now the big reveal in the bedroom.
Can't imagine one. Can you shut it off back in?
Nope.
Huh?
No. There's an old one, but there's an old one, but you can't get it's not working.
That's good for anger management, huh?
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Study right there. Should not push that like that. Been up there and stuck to the wall. Yeah, I think that drain's been leaking from day one they put it in. It wasn't sealed. Oh yeah. I gotta go to where it stops, so.
Yep. You go however far you need to. I'm a big believer. If you gotta do it, you gotta do it right. So,
Alright, stop. Right there.
yay! Not behind the toilet. That's great.
Behind the toilet.
demolition day actually your favorite day?
No. My favorite day is when I get the check.
Ah, okay.
That's my favorite. That's my favorite part.
The finished part is.
Yeah. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do right here. I think this was rotted before, and then they redid it. Bottom of my bucket, I believe it's still there. The tape is running out. Pretty good.
Here's Tom just sitting down on the job.
Sitting on the job. What I do.
Rub-a-dub-dub, sitting in the tub, having a tile bath.
Yeah. Nice relaxing towel bath.
Wow, that's a whole wall. What?
My piece is bigger, it just doesn't look like it.
That's a 100-year-old wall. Okay.
And these, you see these studs?
Yep.
That is a true 2x6. Meaning it's exactly 2 inches by 6 inches.
Not the actual shorter.
Because 2x4s today are 1 3/4
Yep.
by 3 3/4 or 5 1/2. But this is an actual 2x right here. This would have been the original porcelain tub. It weighed 300 pounds.
Somebody else had to carry that out.
Ooh, I'm not in.
Oh, is the door open for you? I can get ahead of you.
Yeah, we
Okay.
did it.
Bye-bye, dirty old tub. Trying to get around the corner.
Old dirty tub.
So that corner leak caused this. Maybe even this floor discoloration here. We'll see what's under that carpet. Yep.
So, thought it used to be yellow under there. Yeah.
Go, making a mess again.
Bye-bye window. And that's my whole bathroom. Bye-bye bathroom.
You're gonna have to go in first because that's gotta go. Yeah, we may have to. Should be 10 minutes. We're gonna point you the.
It's no longer there.
Oh my god, it doesn't line up?
No. Son of a gun.
Oh my god.
Actually, I think that's the original toilet underneath it.
No. Crap, I never expected that. Because it's angled that way.
So it's supposed to be like that?
Well, they used it because they didn't have a choice because of the way they ran the pipe, so they used an offset.
But it makes the hole smaller.
Well, but it's still a 4.5 inch, but it goes down at an angle. But you know, it's not leaking. So I just never. It's been a long time since I've seen that. They're pretty good. They used a drywall screw.
Jeez.
Not even a waterproof one. Okay, I see what that did. I didn't even see the light flicker.
Oh, that comes up with it. Oh, that's one piece. Oh.
Not even a screw.
Ouch.
What do you mean? Let me see I got it.
Thank you so much for joining us for this renovation video on the Joy of Trucking. Really grateful to Jason and Tom for all the work they did. It took them only 4 days. Now you see it's not quite finished yet, but we have been so lucky for Tom to just fit us in between some other jobs. So the bathroom mirror and light is gonna have to wait. But hey, we are so grateful for how far we got with this project and being able to remedy all those unfortunate situations in the wall. Thanks for joining us today, and if you liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up. You can put your comments and questions below. Have you done a major remodel like this? And let us know how it went if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you want to, and hit that notification bell. And we'll see you in the next video. With love from Kevin out on the truck and Tanya here in the bathroom. Take care. Bye.